government has full trust in Prime Minister Modi's leadership, says Chief Minister Biren. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan says current Manipur issue not mature to debate in Parliament. And Manipur alert protest continues regardless of government's assurance. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today said the present state government has full trust in the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah that they would keep their positive commitments on the Indo-Naga peace talks. Briefing media in connection with Miyam Ginumit and his leaders they at the Darbar Hall of Chief Minister's Secretariat, the Chief Minister maintained that they have gathered a rough report collected from various levels consisting of opinions and wishes of people and CSOs of the state. The same has been shared to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah this morning. He added. Chief Minister also stated that the state government would invite the representatives of Coordinating Committee of Manipur Integrity Kokomi and other stakeholders for thorough discussion before consultations with the centre on the issue. Regarding the demand for convening a special session of Manipur Legislative Assembly, he said that the state government is not unwilling to convene a special assembly session. Within the short tenure of the present government, Assembly resolution on protecting states' territorial integrity had been taken twice and similar resolutions on the same issue had been taken 12 times by earlier governments, he added. Mentioning that the state government firmly trusts the positive response and commitment made by the central government on the issue, Chief Minister stated that the government will convene the Assembly session when the situation arises. Replying to a query about disclosing the contents of the Indo-Naga peace talks, Chief Minister maintained that we had asked about the contents of the peace talks. However, the central leaders reiterated that the Indo-Naga deal would not affect the administrative structure of Manipur and won't let the formation of districts based on ethnic lines, etc.
State kita le iba mayam si kari hai sige hai ba ma loina di khangna re koi na yada bagai koi na pam da bagai hai ga adubu lusilakwa final adagi kauraka na kari doksigi hai budu angtung tanana ba hai tare ai ngasi nongni sida akoi government gi ba firef adagi akoi leiba legislation sing mayam so koi dum toina tanari unari nungti gi dum phaunari adu ngasi nongni sai civil society gi maroina kokomi gi sinausing kauraga ai thuna tanana ba toke maram di adagi anything lakpa kana any time da chatpa yana na bagi
The Chief Minister heard around 300 complaints and met around 1,000 people from 9:15 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. Many differently abled persons, widows and people belonging to poor families were instantly enrolled under government's noble schemes like Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gi Tengbang CMHT and Chief Minister Gi Sotharava Singh Gi Tengbang CMST, etc. Many educated and skilled youths were also identified to provide soft loans from different banks.
Normally, tarik taruk tere da tharak pani. Adu handak se ngarang kata tharai 161 crores. Ngarang kata tharai ba. Adu na kitang overdraft to 200 ko balance lage taruk pade koi na precautionary measures log bani. RBI degi kari degi ban adu matok dana baina. Adu na ngarang 160 Central share to Tarak, no, only ladies, 60 Mukangai, 60 Kurumtangai of the drops. I don't know, Yamka effect, Toning late. And the center get a kitan Tadro Patengi, but I don't know, manageable states of them later, two of them hang to Rani and Aduma cannot talk. State Kia, State Kitale, Mayam, Kari, Haishige, Habama, Loina di Kangare, when a Yadaboke, when a Pandaboke Hiker, Adubu, Lusilakwa, Pinel Adaki, Koraka, and the Kari Doxigi have to do. Angtung tanana ba hai tare ai ngasi nongni sida akoi government gi ba firef adagi akoi leiba legislation sing mayam so koi dum toina tanari unari nungti gi dum phaunari adu ngasi nongni sai civil society gi maroina kokomi gi sinausing kauraga ai thuna tana na bato ge maram de adagi anything lakpa kana any time da chatpa yana na bagi adumai na singe na honari akhoi na ngamroi ne sumba porama lakado mali ne haipa tanja lakpa kanda sung soi soi dana kauguni khuji phawgidi as a popular government akhoi Amit Shah ji ki assurance honorable prime minister ki assurance pirai bhai da fully thaja balai bani na madugi matang yogdri haina haibagi wani akhoi fully deny tokte when times comes sung soi soi dana akhoi kaurkani
Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan today stated that an MP's job is to engage in debate in the parliament, not the street. He was participating in the 12th session of Manipur Historical Society at Standard College, Kongba. Ranjan said that the current Manipur situation is not mature enough and hence it cannot be brought up in the parliament. The Manipur inner MP then expressed displeasure over Kokumi's distrust of Prime Minister's assurance that the Naga Framework Agreement will not harm the interest of Manipur. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan also urged the Manipur Historical Society to determine the facts surrounding the land disputes among different communities so that they can be solved in a positive way. He also appealed to the society to look into the matter concerning history of Manipur.
If there be any issue in the parliament, then we will debate it. No me answer Prime Minister with Thaja Braha, Queen Thaja, no in a Thaja period of the way Thaja, I will not betray him a high grab. Laibaki quite our Prime Minister, man, betray Toroi Hibasida, Carino, Aiva Pu, Hidesa. Caramo Lebak the Sanaki Sumasa. Every higher of the assured to Krabaport ado a Queen of Thaja Bungam Dragadi. Where lies our stand?
Settlements they never do like the report about scientific studies. The way I'm talking about the palms ever do the spider hierarchy computer that has simulator running singles about Tumamadi, Kadai, human, Kadai, Cape, and American Saturday. This may be one of the factors to blunt the real historical perspectives of the state of Manipur. That's in Lagdra.
Manipur People's Democratic Alliance MPDA today staged a sit-in demonstration in front of party office in Imphal. The protest demanded prompt disclosure of the recent Indo-Naga agreement to the public. They also urged the state government to convene an urgent assembly session to discuss the matter. MPDA chairman and MPP president O. Jugendro said that the public is now apprehensive about the future of the state. He pledged that MPDA will always fight for safeguarding the territorial integrity of Manipur.
Maduda Karigumba, Bharat Sarkarna, Tapthadna, Akoi, Matamje, delay to the Leraba, Adu Betaragadi, Manipur Sarkargisu, Tonganba, Stevama, separate decision number, Logani, Hiva Power, Pressure Adu Akanba, Pressure PBO, Madam di Nagaland, Piri was Sumaina, according to PBU, Senior Hajari.
Young Progressive and Athletic Club Kisamthong Elangbam Lekai and Apunba Maira Marup jointly organized a sit-in protest in support of Kokumi at Kisamthong. Members of Kokumi Jitendra Ningomba, T.H. Manihar and Yaima Shah spoke during the protest. Unemployed Van Honors School Service Association UVOSSA of Maria Montessori School, Koirenge today held an alert protest meeting in support of Kokumi at Koirenge. Participating in the demonstration, Assistant Coordinator of Kokumi Athoba spoke on the current situation besieging Manipur due to the Indo-Naga peace talks. Several parts of the state also witnessed alert protest. TYDSA Club and Maira Paivi volunteers also staged an alert sit-in protest at Wangu Terakong Ward number 7. They said an alert torch rally will also be carried out later in the evening. Rapid Action Team Khangabok today held a public alert meeting at SSYC ground Khangabok. The meet discussed the current issues of the state like heavy deployment of central paramilitary forces in the state amid the Indo-Naga peace talks drawing to a closer. Moreover, Rapid Action Team Khangabok also appealed to the public members not to take part in the upcoming Sangai festival and stand united for safeguarding the unity and territorial boundary of Manipur. Rapid Action Team Khangabok under Kokomi also organized an alert protest on the theme Naga Peace Talk and Integrity of Manipur at 7-Star Youth Club ground Khangabok, Thobal. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, Manipur Tourism Department all set to organize Sangai Festival 2019.
Nanai Day Spa and Salon. Special offer to welcome winter of 2019. 30% discount pijari. November gitang taradagi kun fawb khaktamak pijaba discount le. Pijariba services singde haircut, facial, hair spa, foot detox, microneedling treatment for face, body spa and scrub, far infrared sauna for detoxification asina chingmani. Extra charges yaudana yumda laktuna service su pijari. Ayuk pung taradagi numidang wairang pung taruk phawba hangjari. Ngasi maglengsin birau Nanai Day Spa and Salon. New Chekon Road, SBI ATM Building near Globis. Contact number 0385-244-7383 natraga 244-7385.
Asingbodo hayo, kamay na state asige examination da nang natop oy di banoba. Ay nasukan no honaba. Aduga position manung phawo chandaba.
Larik yam na pahaba na su larik yam na haigani mak yam phangani habde lan gani. Aikoi takpi tambiriba oza singdugi way of teaching and guidelines singdugi makhayam na ponbra na khali wahase sangdok naragomse. Nasi ay na may paknise Mukta Tutorials credit pizak. Mukta Tutorials handaki oina class 10 amari 12 thagadaba students singi revision class lakliba November 14 gi hauzaragani.
Center asida hena khudong chaba amana subject amagi course fee subnatagi lupa 3,300 na oigani.
Kaubiraganu Mukta Tutorials Kwakathil Mayai Koibi opposite Millennium Institute.
Special discount to welcome the winter of 2019. 10% discount on labor charge, 5% discount on spare parts for Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires. Free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting. 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors, Airport Road, near Comprehensive Concept School, 795001. Contact number 9366-508-258.
Welcome back after the break. State Tourism Department is all set to host the Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 from November 24 till 30th, amid call from Kokomi to boycott the annual tourism festival in view of the present situation unfolding in the state due to the Indo-Naga peace talks. As per reports, preparations are on in full swing at the Hapta Kangzibung of Imphal East, the main venue of the festival. Chief Minister N. Biren had earlier appealed to the general public to extend support to the government to make the event a grand success. District Administration Imphal East today organized a meeting cum interaction program in connection with Safai Karmcharis and manual scavenger at Panchayat Bhavan Porompat, Imphal East. Member of the National Commission for Safai Karmcharis, Government of India, Manju Dilan, Deputy Commissioner of Imphal East District, Dr. Rangita Baliwaikhom, along with her staff, police officers of Imphal East, Commissioner of Cooperation of Imphal East, officers of Social Welfare Department, District Nodal Officers of Manual Scavengers, project officers and members of Safai Karmcharis of Imphal East took part in the program. The meet discussed the issues of Safai Karmcharis and manual scavengers, particularly in the Imphal East. District Legal Services Authority Thobal, under the sponsorship of Manipur State Legal Services Authority, Imphal, organized a one-day legal literacy program cum quiz competition at KM Blooming High Secondary Complex, Khangabok today. Judge of Family Court Thobal Salam Imocha Singh, Chairman of KM Blooming High Secondary School Khundrakpa Menjor Mangang, Secretary of District Legal Services Authority Thobal Asem Taruna Kumari Devi and Principal of KM Blooming High Secondary School Dr. K. Bhaigachandra Singh attended the event. Advocate Mohammad Zakir Hussain delivered a speech on environmental law and solid waste management rules 2016, while Advocate Khoisnam Lembi Sana Meidingu spoke on rights of children and child line 1098. Lamding Educated Welfare Association Liwa Lamding Thobal District will honor Executive Program Officer of Diamond FM Road Radio Khongzom Bazaar James Hakruzum and Chartered Accountant Chongtham Sanjoy Singh of Wangzing Wangkai for their immense contribution in their respective fields. This was informed in a press release today. It also said the award will be given in the name of late founder president of Liwa H. Mohindro. Regional Director of Northeast State Rope Skipping Federation of India, R.K. Joysana, today appealed to all organizations and individuals to stage protest over the Naga Framework Agreement and other key issues through what he said a proper channel. He suggested that submitting representations to the Centre for a written assurance on any issue is a key move to fight against the Centre or authorities concerned in the future. He said that this during a press meet at Manipur Press Club Imphal today.
Territory the autonomy council pini major community maintain a choice soya boundary the sopayaroy, integrity the sopayaroy, adu Makai never toropa kudima amatayaroy. NSN IMG Yasin Nabase settlements pork matamda stakeholders in interest protection pini haibana. Adu regadi aina conservative framework agreement ki problems is solved to re and conservavaniko. Aina conservaniko. Adu aina prajamayamda masi wabi ruranu degi signabi ruranu kaina hajabadingam deva. Karina aingonda irakpachini aidi kaisunate chamchamba prajani. Moigi Babananda Gumba, Ranjan Gumba, Biren Gumba de Irakor gadi moidi haibangamidana. So written assurance malay. Hojak Congress na hari city. Ai bache mapiwana. Ai bache written assurance malawena. Adu aidi hana pai dana laire. Adu na aidi achamba micham prajani na aina prajada kaim haijabangamte. Tawuda buchi madilla yaise praja punna makhangan biyo haibaywanina. Adu ga hayang masigi prajagi interest nganglak traba protect wirak traba. Ona taina ba pam da bathabam tauragadi Joysna will go to the court. I get the alternative means like there. Sumaina protection pirak tre moigi agreement sitsana han biganu haibiside the court high never. Korna yaba yadaba that is up to my life.
The present condition of the lone Manipuri boys hostel in Silchar town of Kasar district is pathetic. The hostel is run by Manipuri Benevolent Society. The students from Jiribam, Tripura, Kasar and Manipur are staying in the hostel. Speaking to media, President of Benevolent Society S. Komlakanta Singh urged the civil society organizations, well-wishers and concerned authority to look into the deteriorating state of the boys hostel.
Amadi well-wisher mayamgi maiki dagisu hari hostel si sab de khoina mateng panganjaningi aikhogi leiba toilet ki phibam adugi je khogi asomda library kam office am services su aikho resin ngamdri adugi je khogi lamasi khara rolen oiba name mani na masi ju lebak thon gi art feeling gi charak patangai fadwa lupa lak mani mangana sing ba art feeling is de changa daina khalli adu chaurak nai khoina ju sarva project si asa gi karoram ga lupa lak punmuki project asini adu masi matang da manipur de leiba manipur sarkar manipur ki praja sing manipur ki civil society organization leader sing adu khuding maki maki degi aikoi da mateng pangbiu haibe appeal se aikoi manipuri benevolent society maki degi ayak na thamjeri.
President of All Assam Manipuri Students Union, AMSU, P.H. Nilkanta Singh said that concerning the issue, they have appealed to Assam and Manipur government on many occasions. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Wabdo Koknaba Rebalance.
Soktabadu Kongnava Rebalance.
Rebalance the Haksang Sol, Amadi electrolytes in the Awapa Mekatuna, Adongi Haksang would take the Tambangamali. Rebalance Habadi, electrolytes Amadi Energy.
Smart Tutorial Center. Revision course for class 12 will start from 11 November and for class 10 from 12 December 2019. Run by well-trained and experienced board and council teachers. Concession for ex-smart students. transport facilities and separate hostels for boys and girls available. For more details, please contact Smart Tutorial Center, Singzamai Supermarket, Radheshyam Shopping Complex. Contact number 8730 999 192.
Iramdam da fangba polam singna iramdam asimaktada sajaba kanglagi polam sing fangbiragani luhong panthana lakpada miyam gidamak leizare laima kabok loinana luhong bagi yakhanaba discount su izari akupa marol gidamak contact obu 8131877217 natraga 9612056941
Kangla kabok chabiyu yamna hawbani
kangla laima kabok
Khanghanjaba ngasi tang taraga manga tha taramathoi lisingani taraga mapan ing irai numit asida nungsijaraba leibak miyam amadi salai gi shareholder stakeholder singi mafamda salai holdings private limited ki maikei dagi wafam kharadang nolukna ningsingjari kanagumba kanagumbi singna social media da lana pau sandok biduna salai bu miyam da amadi shareholder stakeholder singda lana uhan kiba yaba mau amata tobidana ba nolukna ningsingjari hojik sathariba investigation asi hek loibaga salai gi unit sing karamba matamda hangani haiba miyam punamakta media gi khuthangda soidana khanghanjagani matam adu fawbadang khwai punamakna pungning phathabiduna salai gi unit sing hanagom function tobangai minasi haina khwai punamaki mafamda nolukjari khanghanjari ba salai holdings private limited SS Enterprises ta miyam gi damak leizare makhal makha kya gi sound lights teas amadi ten house ki polam sing Makhal khuding maki light amadi luhong khongdong bagi polam singi damak 10% discount pijari. Aku pemarol gidamak contact tobiu SS Enterprises Kiamgai Khoirom Laikai near Youth Social Club. Contact number 8837218002.
Welcome back. The Supreme Court today summoned Chief Secretaries of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi to know about steps taken by them to reduce air pollution in Delhi NCR. As per reports, a bench of Justices Arun Mishra and Deepak Gupta said effective steps must be taken and 13 pollution hotspots in Delhi should be cleared of pollutants. The apex court questioned the Delhi government over granting exemptions, including to 2- and 3-wheelers during its odd-even scheme and said that pollution level in Delhi is increasing in spite of the vehicle rotation scheme being enforced. The archaeological experts from Pakistan and Italy have discovered a 3,000-year-old city believed to be the remains of Alexander the Great in joint excavation in northwest Pakistan. According to media reports, the discovery of the city named Bazira was made in Barikot Tehsil of Swat district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, famous for 5,000 years old civilization and its artifacts. The discovery also finds traces of Hindu temples, coins, stupa, pots and weapons of that period. The experts believe that Alexander came to Swat along with his army in 326 BC and defeated the opponents in the battle at Odigram area and constructed the walled city named Bazira and a fort. The experts also found traces of life in the city even before Alexander's period. Before Alexander, the followers of Indo-Greek, Buddhist, Hindu, Sahi and Muslims live in the city. Flooded Venice has been hit by a new high tide of 1.6 meter, 5.3 feet, giving residents no respite from a crisis costing millions of euros. According to a report, world-famous St. Mark's Square, a magnet for tourists, has been closed and schools are shut for a third day. The Italian city's famous water buses, the Vaporetti, have stopped running. The 1.87 meter peak on Tuesday was the highest level for more than 50 years, damaging cultural monuments, businesses and homes. More than 80% of the canal city was flooded. The government declared a state of emergency in the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Residents with flood-damaged homes will get up to 5,000 euros and businesses up to 20,000 euros in compensation. Let's now have the sports news. in sports today, ace footballer Loitongpam Ashalata Devi of Manipur has been nominated for the 2019 Asian Football Confederation AFC Player of the Year Women Award. According to media reports, Ashalata Devi has been instrumental in taking India to the second qualifying round of the Olympic 2020 qualifiers and also has played a huge role in ensuring that the country wins the 2019 South Asian Football Federation SAFF Championship title. She also won the Indian Women's Player of the Year for 2018-2019 season. The captain of the Indian women football team has also been the second woman from India to play for a foreign club, New Radiant, in 2015. First Thang Ta Day was observed today at lamjingbatomtv. The event was organized by Kanglei Indigenous Martial Arts and Cultural Society, KIMAX. The day was announced as Thang Ta Day to commemorate the release of 27 students who were arrested by the police during an intense protest demanding inclusion of Thang Ta in board syllabus. Floral tributes were paid to the late Thang Ta teachers on the occasion. Prizes were distributed to the winners of Thang Ta Group Competition 2019 organized by KIMAX in October last.
Petitioner government in Tolbuse, government cinema Kambadi, Subsabi, Moju district of the Samiba. Adubu, Hori Ibang, Zeri Ibang, Nasiboda, Aribam something is Bolivia, Sida, Miyangi, Katitam, San the Biram Deo, Masiam Biram the Roman Digi. A quite tongue tabun, Sidaba, Kasabun, Silva, not by pushing door. I took a cool lead in a winnow, Laxeraba, Laxram, Satra, Union Sinamo, Simterga, Winam, Sankelko, Sidashida. They are going in my giddy, Masima Power, Biliba, Tosam, Ubiriba, Sinsu, Sumba Krele have a suggestion, Bibiraga, a quickie, Iram the Masha, a quina. Hen may lava, Taxi Hachine, Moiba.
Ilsa today defeated Kumbi FC in the first semi-final of First El Kirani Memorial First Division Football League 2019. In a match played at the multipurpose ground of Moirang, Ilsa beat Kumbi FC by 1-0 and moved to the final of the league. The lone goal was scored by Chinglen of Ilsa. The final match will be played on 20th of this month. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Government has full trust in Prime Minister Modi's leadership, says Chief Minister Biren. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan says current Manipuri issue not mature to debate in Parliament. And Manipur alert protest continues regardless of government's assurance. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.